Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to install the Visual Studio Code in your Windows operating system. Also, I will show you how you're gonna download it. So without further ado, let's start. So first, we will go to our favorite browser. I just Google Chrome and come over to the search option and search for Visual Studio. Here you can see the recommended Visual Studio Code. And after here, we search for Video Studio Code. Here we get the first link. Click on it. And after that, here you will get here you can see here is the link of download for Windows. If you have different operating system, then you have your different operating systems installing interface over here. So we will click on download for Windows. And after that, the download will be started automatically. Here you can see VS Code in the setup. So it is 94.9 MB, so it will take some seconds. For that, I'll first for the video. So here you can see the download has been completed right now. So after installing it, click on it 2 times and minimize the browser. And here you can see the setup Microsoft Visual Code interface is appear in our home screen. So click on I accept the agreement and click next. And if you want to change the location, just click on browse and change your location. So we will not do that. Just remain it as default and click on next. Oh, before click on next, here you can see there is at least 374.6 MB of free disk space is required. So in your C drive, if you have 374.6 MB, then it will be installed with any hesitation. So be sure that you have that much space and click on next and click yes. And create a start doing a folder, click next and create a desktop icon and add open with code. Just select all other items over here and click next and install. After that, preparing to install, and here you can see the installation is progress right now. So it will take some minutes. So for that, I will fast forward the video. So here you can see Visual Studio Code icon appeared in our Windows, in our home screen, and here you can see the installation or setup is done. Now click on finish, and here you can see the Visual Studio is on in our Windows operating system. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.